Welcome back to 21 Moto. Today we're going to show you guys all the different parts I have on the Grom so far, the mods, and the different things I've done to it this far. Alright boys, let's go over the mods I've done to the bike so far. So starting from the front, we set up the TFT indicators, and they're progressive. See, they don't have the running light, but it's a progressive indicator. See that? It's pretty cool. Okay, we did the tail tidy kit. No rear view, no blinkers hanging off the side anymore. No big extension for the license plate. It's all right here, super clean. And that's the light. Let me show you the brake light, see if I can reach it. So it'll blink 3 times. Alright, that is what the tail light does. Also the signals are integrated. See that? We'll see what it looks like with the brake. It's pretty cool. Looks cool. That's what we've done for the, I guess, to tidy it up, the cosmetics. For the motor, we've done, oh yeah, these mirrors too. These mirrors are pretty nice. They're bar end mirrors. We also done the Chimera air intake. We did the Stage 2 cam, sorry, S1 cam from DHM, and we did the computer. So we flashed the ECU, and we did the zoom loop exhaust. That's what it sounds like. Sounds freaking awesome. Alright, so that is the walk around of the mods we've done so far on the Honda Grom. Let's talk about the exhaust, guys. I just put the exhaust on a couple weeks ago, a month ago maybe, and it's loud. Okay, I love the way it sounds, but it is loud. So consider this a PSA, a public service announcement. If you put an exhaust on, maybe even if you even don't have an exhaust on, the wind noise you get in your helmet sometimes is super loud, and you might not realize it. You think you're getting used to it, but what's happening is you're going deaf. Okay, straight up. So my recommendation is that you ride with earplugs. Right now I'm using some foamy earplugs, but I'm in the process of getting some custom earplugs made. I know it sounds weird, but it doesn't make sense to go deaf, guys. You're just riding bikes, having fun. Why should you give up your hearing? Especially for you younger people. When you get older, you're gonna want to have your hearing. It's gonna make interactions with your family easier, and the young ones don't get as frustrated trying to talk to you, right? And you want your young ones to talk to you when you're a grandpa, okay? If you're a grandpa. Anyway, yeah, so PSA, wear earplugs, especially if you got a loud exhaust. Or like me, for example, I have a loud exhaust and I'm riding with other people with loud exhausts. That's gonna ruin your ears. Like, I'm not talking like over the years, guys. I'm talking like in 1 or 2 rides you can be permanently deaf, or lose hearing permanently, lose partial hearing permanently. Don't ride without earplugs. Even if your exhaust is not too loud, you should probably ride with earplugs anyway, because the wind noise can also give you hearing loss. Okay, so that is the PSA for today. Let's get back to the video.